Hello and welcome to this new video on how to disable OneDrive. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to look at the bottom taskbar, and when you have looked in the bottom taskbar, you just have to look on the right hand side of the screen. There will be a cloud icon, so you just have to click on it and the pop-up box will appear, and on the top right hand side of the pop-up box there will be an setting button, and when you hover around it, it says help and settings, so you just have to click on that setting button, and another pop-up notification box will be open. Now you just have to click on the settings once more, and this is the interface that is shown to you. Now you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen. Currently we are on sync and backup section. Now you just have to click on the account, and on the right hand side of the screen account section will be opened right in front of you, and just below your name there will be an unlink this PC button, so you just have to click on unlink this PC and you will be able to unlink the OneDrive from your PC. So this is how you can easily disable OneDrive. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.